Go to Google and search AnyDesk download. Click Remote Desktop Software for Windows. Once you're on the AnyDesk website, you'll be taken to the download page. Here, you'll see various options for different operating systems that AnyDesk supports. Since I'm using Windows, I'll click the option for Windows. Click the Download Now button. Wait for the download to begin and make sure to locate the file so you know where it is. Once the download is complete, find the downloaded file and click on it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instruction to install AnyDesk. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded and installed AnyDesk on your desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel.